Hello my lovelies, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. I'm Maria from Maria Custo Designs. I'm glad you find my channel. I wanted to show you a little bit of extra. Okay, so we're gonna count as one square is 2 across, okay, because it's easier to see. So I'm going to show you how to do half a stitch, quarter, and the 3/4 stitches, because sometimes you need it. Now, okay, so as I said, come up 2 across, okay, go down on the left, bottom left. Now what you can see is a half stitch, okay, so it's like the X is only going one way, so it's not an X, it's just a line. Okay, you can do it either way, so either bottom left to top right or bottom right to top left. Make sure you follow your pattern exactly. Okay, now I'll show you the other way around. So we start on the bottom right, come up, and on the top left. Yeah. This is great if you got like a really big pattern with just 1 or 2 colors in part of the pattern. So for example, like a big hat, like a black top hat, and you have to fill it up with all black, you can use this. So it looks like this, okay, and I show you the real size. So let's see. So usually it's just 1 across, not 2. Okay, let's see, you go next, go again down. Okay, the other way around, bottom right, top left. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Okay, let's do the quarter stitches. So I'm going to show you double the sides again so you see it nicely. So 1 square is gonna be 2 across. Okay, so we go down. So this is gonna be the half stitch. Okay, so actually sorry, quarter stitch. Okay, so we only come up 1 across. So this is the bottom left and this is the top right, but we come up on the middle. Okay, and this is your quarter stitch. So for example, this would be the whole stitch if it comes up until here and across this. This is 1 stitch. A quarter stitch is goes like 3, 4. Okay, so 1 quarter, 2, 3, and 4. It could be different colors, it depends on your pattern. It could be 4 different, 2, 3. Okay, oh, I came up on the wrong one, sorry. Okay, so this is a quarter one, then the next one is 1 away. Okay, because this is a whole stitch, that's 1 cross, so the next one has to be 1 away. So this is half of it and this is the end of the square. Okay, go 2 again, here it is. Now you can do it in any way. Okay, so this was from bottom left to the middle. Now let's say here is the other square. I'm going to the bottom right, and this is the middle of the square. Okay, so you can do it this way, this way, this way, or this way. It all depends on your pattern. Again on the wrong one. Okay, here 2 away, because this is 1 cross, 2 cross. Okay, now I'll show you how you do it in 1 cross on the original. Okay, so you come up on the bottom left. Now here is the top right, so you're gonna find exactly the middle and push your needle through right at the middle. This is your quarter stitch. So these are really tiny details, like really tiny extra detailed work if you have these kind of stitches. Also, let's try on the other way around. So we start from the top right, and we're going to do this corner. So go down, find the middle, go through, and that's our top corner. Find the middle, and that's it. Okay, in the last part of this video, I'm going to show you the 3/4 stitches. Okay, so we do it again, double the size so you can see it clearly. Okay, and going down on the bottom left, there is our loop. So go across to the top right and through the loop. Okay, let's pull this back. Go down again on the bottom left. Okay, now we come up on the bottom right, and instead of going to the top, we stop at the middle. Okay, after the skein. Okay, so you push it away and push it down after the skein. This is one way to do 3/4. Okay, but you can do it either way, so it's this side, this side, this side, or the bottom. Okay, so for example, let's do it from the other way around. We go, this is the bottom right, we go down up to the top left, come up on the bottom left, and we find the middle. So push the thread away a little bit, go down on the middle. Okay, let me show you in a proper small way. So we're gonna do 1 square. Okay, come up on the left, bottom left, to the top right, come up on the bottom right, and now we're gonna do the same. Push away and find the middle, push it down. Okay, so here is 3/4 stitch. Let's do it on the other way around. Okay, so we're gonna start from the bottom right, go up on the top left, but now we're gonna do this corner. So we're gonna go to the top right and then come down to the middle, push the thread away, push it down right in the middle. Okay, and here we go, the top right corner. So this one is the bottom right corner, this is the top. Okay, let me show you the top left corner. So we come up on the bottom left, top right. Okay, and now the top left, and find the middle and push it down right after the thread. Okay, so this is the top left corner, and let's see the bottom left corner. Okay, so we come up on the bottom right, go across, top left, then the bottom left, and we're gonna find the middle and push it down. Yeah, okay, this is how I do it, but there is another way. So just like these, sorry, these ones, the quarter ones, you can do the same if you like. So for example, let's do the double one again. Okay, this is the bottom left. Okay, if you want to do the bottom right corner, okay, you're gonna go up in the middle, that's one, go up on the bottom right, that's two, and then the top right. Okay, and that's three. Okay, so both of them is exactly the same, quarters, 3/4 stitches, but looks a tiny bit different. Okay, so these ones are more straightforward, but you have to push through the thread 3 times on the same hole. And here you just have to do it once. Okay, let's do it on the small way. So you come up, so these are gonna be really tiny, find the middle. Okay, that's one, on the top, bottom right, same middle spot. Okay, so this is 2 single stitches, half quarter stitches. You can do this same color on the top or a different color, sometimes I do that. Okay, and the third one. Here we go. So this is 3/4, and the last quarter could be any color. So I'm going to show you that 2 different colored ones. Okay, so let's do it like, okay, let's make the red the 3/4. Okay, go down in the, right in the middle. Okay, good. Now I quickly change for different color. Okay, so we come up on the top left, okay, and go down right in the middle. So this one is 3/4 stitches on the red and the quarter stitch on the green. So if you have like a flower pattern where here the petal starts with the red, but the leaf is starting from here, it would be a clean separation. I hope you can see it. Now I show you the 2 half crosses, okay? Okay, now I show you where there is 2 different colors and both of them are quarter stitches. So let's do it the large way so you can see. Okay, so we're gonna do a double side again. So for example, if the top 2 is green, I'm gonna come up on the top left, go right in the middle, okay, go up on the top right and go down in the middle. Yeah. And now the next color. Okay, now let's come up with a different color on the bottom left. Okay, and the bottom right. Okay, so these are the 2 different quarter stitches. So 2 on the green and 2 on the bottom, the purple one. There you have it. I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you. So I'm going to make an advanced video as well about this one. For example, I'm going to show you how to do parking method if you got like full coverage, large pieces. I have one. I'm going to show you in next video. I'm going to show you specialty stitches, for example, French knots, bouillon knots, black work. So stay tuned for that. If you like my video, please subscribe and like this video so more people can see it. Or if you have any other crafty friends, you can share the video with them. I would really appreciate that. Or if you have experience already with cross stitching, let me know which one is your favorite method or how you do it. Or if there is any different way you can do it, which I'm not aware of. But most importantly, these are for beginners. So if you're just starting now, be confident. Watch the video again and start practicing with it first, and then start your own pattern, what you have. Practice makes perfect. Until my next video, happy stitching. Bye.